Hi, welcome to another episode of On the Front Line and Ed Dr. Allen LA. Today you're going to see that we're out here in the rain, sticking to our mission of helping our community. The staff is packing up these boxes of dried food. We also have fish sticks, asparagus, sodas, and masks. So you're going to see a team of great individuals driving and knocking on doors today, as our goal is to make sure we try to feed as many people as possible during this pandemic. Remember, it's more than just testing, it's more than just watching. And watching means having people as sick as possible come in and get treated, or having people get tested. It's also those individuals who lost their jobs. You can't buy but 3 or 4 items. The shelves are empty. It's about those people too. Folks that can't even pay their bills, but the people that was told to have some type of help because they couldn't make their mortgage, or they couldn't make their rent. It's about those people too. It's not a time to have pride. You need something, ask your neighbors. Call us. As God continue to give to me, I'm going to continue to give to you. In this pandemic where everyone is kind of harboring and grabbing and fighting because they don't know what tomorrow is going to be like. We're afraid that we need everything for ourselves. I'm not going to have that mindset. Everything that God blessed me with, I'm going to continue to pass it forward to help as many people as I can. So during this pandemic, we all stand together. This is not some TV show. These are real live experiences with people like myself and this staff of individuals that God has blessed me with, to make sure that we do this. And you need to see that people care, that there are true people out here that God is blessed to help you. And as He continue to feed it to me, He knows that I'm going to do something with it. But I'm not going to keep it for me and my friends and my family. I'm going to do something with it. I'm going to give it to you. You can see we're going to use the van. And the van is going to be stocked full with as much as we can to make sure we feed as many people as we can. Food, which we're blessed to have, we're going to be giving every person that we can a mask, as the restrictions have been that you can't get in some of these grocery stores or these establishments without having masks. So we have masks in the hundreds that we're going to be giving people that's going to come with their food, as we do our best to make sure that we take care of as many people as we can. Please keep in mind that we're not asking for donations. We're not asking for monetary donations. We're not asking for anything. If you have access to any supplies that you think people may need, you contact us. Otherwise, we will continue to give from our heart. We're strategizing with the team of what group is going to go with the dry food, and what group is going to go with some of the frozen products. Also, we're strategizing who's going to make sure that we at least leave a mask with the box of goods on the door. We're just going to knock on the door. We won't have we'll have minimum to no contact with the people. It's just to be, we will knock on the door, let them know that we're here, and we will leave a mask and a box of goods or some food at their front door. And thank God for such a great group of staff that believes in the cause. Staff they're just very eager to get out there, rain or not. We loading up the bags. Here we come, community. Here we come. God, may you protect us as we go out in the rain and do your work. May we have no accidents, and may we help as many people as we can. On the count of 3, I'm going to say team. 1, 2, 3, team! Thank you. I appreciate that.
Okay, give him that. You're welcome.
I just want to say how happy and thankful I am that you guys are doing this,
Okay.
especially for people that look like me.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
Can we get more back for you, sir?
More boxes.
What about this one right here?